Hello, in this video, I'll be guiding you on how to write a simple publisher and subscriber. So the first thing we need to do is to go into our package that we created in the last video. So we have to change our directory to our workspace, which is beginner guide, and then change directory into SRC and into our beginner tutorials. Once we're in here, we're going to create a folder, mkdir, and we're going to create this folder called scripts. So you can see now the scripts folder is created. This folder will be used to hold our Python scripts. So we change directory to our scripts, and we will create a talker and a listener. So in order to do that, we can actually use search talker.py, and then we can also create a listener. Okay, so when we check, it's right here. So into our SRC package, go to the script folder, we have a talker and listener. But currently, it's just a file without any content. So what we're going to do is we're going to code it. All right. First, we're going to code our talker. What we're going to do is we're going to import Raspberry and import string. And we're going to import string from US. Okay, so from here, we can actually create two. It's the talker, and then we'll have the equals to main. So we'll have this too. We'll create the talker first. The talker, the first thing I want to add is the publisher. So Raspberry publisher. And in this publisher, you'll need to publish to a topic. We'll call it the chatter. And then it has a message type of string since we imported that. And we have our queue size. We'll set it to check. Once we have our publisher, we can actually use the node Raspberry init. And here we will be naming the node talker. And we'll set the anonymous to true. So we will also have to include the rate time dot set this to 10, so it will loop the script 10 times per second. And while the Raspberry is not Raspberry is so we will do a few things. We'll have string. So we call it a hello string because we will print hello world. And print a hello world, and we'll include maybe some time. So Raspberry dot get time. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to print it to a terminal. So ROS.py log info. And we'll use the hello string. And we also want to publish this. So it's publish. Okay. So we publish this to the topic. Lastly, so to prevent it from exiting prematurely before the shutdown. Next, we'll have a try. We'll try the Docker. And we'll have section, which is the ROS file. So ROS interrupt. And we'll leave this as pass. So this will be the basic code for the Docker. Oh, wait, most importantly, we include this. Yeah, this just to declare that this is Python file. We'll save this. And now we'll create, you can see now it's a Python file. We'll do the same for the listener. It's empty, so we have to open it with VS Code. So user, environment. We'll do the same thing import raw file. And then from the standard yes.message, we will import. Okay. Here we will have the listener. And then we also have the name. Use the Docker. Yep. No, listener, sorry. And in the listener, we will have to do the subscriber. So it's going to be ROS.py subscriber. And this subscriber is subscribed to the chapter topic. And within the string, and instead of Q, it will be a callback. So that means I actually need to find a callback. The data inside callback. So for callback, it will be I log info. I caller ID. And you're gonna have a response because the subscriber needs to tell the publisher that since it said like hello world, the world hears you. You respond with a time. Well, no, not necessarily with time, but yeah. So that would be the callback function. So we have the subscriber. Now we'll need to have a node. So it's node. And in this node, we have the listener node. And now let's set P. Other than that, we have to include Ross screen to prevent it from exiting until the node is stopped. And I don't recall this being included. So just remove this. That's fine. Yeah, that's about all we need here. Let's save this. And we'll close. So now we can look at the script folder. We have the listener and talker, but they're both now in gray, meaning that they're non-executable. What we're going to do is use this code, chmod, and we're going to change them. To executable files. So now you can see that they're both green now, meaning that they are both executable. What we're going to do is actually change our directory back to the cleaner, right? And I will include the source. And we will check this by using the echo. Ross has got package. There you go. So this is here. What we're going to do now is run ROS-core. So while our ROS-core is now running, we can actually use ROS1. Package is beginner tutorials. And we're going to download Talker code. So you can see that the Talker is now publishing Hello World. We're going to run the listener, which is the publisher. And here you go. That is how you can create a publisher and a subscriber. Hello world, the world hears you. To stop the node, you just have to press Ctrl+C. See? And that's it. If you want to learn more about ROS, you can click the links in the below in the description. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. If you enjoy watching the video, give the video a thumbs up. If you're looking forward to more videos, do hit the subscribe button. Until then, see you in the next video.